Kagi kami sir nga makatigang kami 3 darwa ka bisis sa isa ka semana. Sa kapigadohon kapag pangabuhi kang nabawalan man kami kang gobyerno nga mag ubra halimbawa kaingin ubra kang mag linis sa mga kan nga hindi imo lupa nabawalan man hindi ko kapangumagi. Yang ang kalaban-labanan nga nahimo kang tao kang una illegal para lang gid mabuhi.
I'm Javie, the 2024 Forest Restoration Steward of the Global Landscapes Forum. Together with the locals of Barangay Aluhipan in my home province, Antique in the Philippines, our mission is to claim stewardship over these lands, to center community-led initiatives that champion the conservation of not just the forest and its beings, but also the agency of the people who are intertwined with its terrain. At its core, we advocate the belief that those intimately acquainted with the land should be at the forefront, both as its protectors and decision makers.
Importante sa akin kay nakita ko ang mga pamuluyo dyan kauna nga kumbaga gobyerno nga panag-iya ka lupa pero ang naga-protekta ka lupa ang mga pamuluyo dyan nakita ko nga daw kinanglan tanda mismo ang hindi ko nga magpakumbaba patanda sa gobyerno kundi dapat tanda ang iniintindihan hindi ko nga tanda ang magpaintindi.
To address this, we focus on community-led approaches that center the ownership of conservation practices including protection, agroecology, and assisted natural regeneration. We journey with community partners through capacity building, field research, project design, and on-ground implementation, integrating local cultural norms and practices.
The degradation of Western Himalayas is causing loss of livelihoods and species of wild flora and fauna in this landscape.
Right behind me you can see this intact forest, but I have seen all my life forest being degraded because of lopping and grazing and all these things.
So the idea was quite set when we started off with the Himalayan Restoration Project. It was to rewild the landscape, to bring back the home or the habitat, the niche for the species, and also to provide ecology-based sustainable livelihoods for the communities in the landscape. We've been extremely lucky because the major homework has been done by the Himalayan Langur Project, and it has been a great opportunity still till date get mentorship from the experts who are running the Himalayan Langur Project. And yeah.
So the Himalayan Langur Project guiding us to set up the Himalayan Restoration Project, we now have a team of enthusiastic young youth, mostly girls, who have now come up to work with us. And this team is really dedicated in not looking at just the species, but also looking at the complexities in the landscape, including restoration. So we'll be working with communities, we'll be working with human-animal coexistence issues.
Hi everyone, my name is Anna Ubiakwe, a 2024 Wetland Restoration Steward, and today I'm here with my team.
I am Clement Oko. I'm part of the Wetland Restoration team here from Nigeria.
Hi, I'm David Oyama, the Assistant Communication Manager for BRC, and I'm part of the Wetland Restoration team.
I'm Osena Roloatomi. I'm the Assistant Project Manager of Biodiversity Rescue Club. I'm also part of the Wetland Restoration Team 2024.
My name is Matthias. I'm part of the project team.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisika Peter Odofort and I am the Monitoring and Evaluation Officer for BRC.
I'm Jerry Avatar. I am a volunteer with BRC. My name is Kore Jagua. I'm the field manager of Biodiversity Rescue Club. According to the Paris Agreement, global temperatures are to be kept below 1.5 degrees Celsius before the year 2030. I and my team at Biodiversity Rescue Club are taking local actions to solve a global problem by planting over 3,000 mangrove seedlings in the degraded landscape here in Eserebum Community, Calabar South Local Government Area, Cross River State, Nigeria. Our success stories are community collaboration and engagement in restoration activities such as nursery establishment and also planting of mangrove seedlings, which we had the women and the youth fully involved and engaged in the working process. As part of raising future stewards for the environment, we've been able to establish conservation clubs in 15 schools in the community. We've also held a stakeholders workshop with the theme Effective Restoration and Sustainability of the Cross River Mangrove. Stakeholders identified are community leaders, local NGOs, government agencies, university community, and the media house.
Hello, I'm Javie, founder and co-founder of the School Food Forest Initiative. We are here in Namutumba at Victoria Primary School. This is one of the few of the nursery, fruit nursery beds that we started, and some of them that we use to grow the fruit trees that we use to plant in schools to make them school food forests. Maybe you can show them some of the species we have. You can come closer. Come close. Now this is a rare type of the avocado that we have. This is an avocado type that grows faster and is resistant to harsh temperatures, diseases, and drought. This is one of the few that is grown here in Africa that can manage the terrain of Africa, especially sub-Saharan Africa, eastern Uganda. It is first of all drought resistant and also disease resistant. Then we can walk you through to show you the wider range of the avocado tree that we plant or we work on. Currently, we are in Namutumba. These are the young ones that have grown up to 2 to 6 months up to now. They are at this stage. Those are the other ones that have outgrown, that have not yet been planted or transplanted to the main gardens.
Hi, my name is Sheikh Imran. I'm the founder of Prakriti and also the Forest Restoration Steward for GLF this year. I'm currently in Wayanad. Wayanad is a district in the southern Indian state of Kerala, which also happens to be situated in the Western Ghats, which is incredibly beautiful, incredibly diverse, and also the 8th highest biodiversity hotspot zone of the world. One of the most unique features of Wayanad is its incredibly unique topography, which ranges between 700 to 2100 meters above sea level, its climatic conditions with abundant rain throughout the year, and with some places also being the wettest spots in southern India, and its incredible species biodiversity. Wayanad is home to some of the most endemic flora and fauna, some of the highest number of flowering plants, mammals, fishes, and other forms of wildlife. Geographically, Wayanad is in a very unique position because it's not just a single unit of forest, but it is multiple forests blending into each other.